71, I believe. Dodge Power Wagon. Front drip rail was totally rotted off, gone. This is a dual panel roof. Dual panels, steel on the inside. Separate layer of steel on the outside. This was rotted off. It's gone. It's totally gone. I didn't go all the way to here. I sectioned it right in here. Across the center, or across that front part of the roof. Filled it with Bondo from about here to here with a nice glaze coat after I did the repair. It came out great. Painter made it work look good. Primer and paint make a body man what he ain't. Sometimes he makes one that's good too. Have a good day.